If there's one challenge we're getting asked about all the time here at the Garden Gurus, it's what do I do with all my extra produce? My friend Sophie Budd is a talented chef who's worked with Rick Stein and Jamie Oliver, and she's offered to share her favourite preserve recipes.
So today I'm making mostardo figs, and I'm going to be using local figs, some mustard seeds and cinnamon. Now, the first time I discovered mustard fruits was back in Cornwall, which is where I'm from.
So you're going to need to put 5 teaspoons of mustard seeds in a pestle and mortar and crush them, and then add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
So I've already crushed up the mustard seeds and added the cinnamon. In the pot, I've put water, sugar, and I'm going to finish off with some white balsamic vinegar. I'm also going to pop in a stick of cinnamon, and I'm going to pop it on to a gentle simmer. So I love fig season. I'm a little bit cheeky, and on my way home, I stop off in a neighbouring suburb and down the little back streets are those fig trees with the figs hanging over. Now I figure they're either going to go to waste or the birds are going to eat them.
Sprinkle in the mustard mix to the syrup, then add the figs and let it gently bubble for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now remove the pot from the heat. Put the fruit into the jar and pour the liquid all the way up to the top. Put the lid on and twist it really tight. So store in a cool, dark place and leave it for at least a month before you eat it. Now, one thing I love about Australia is the wide range of produce, and this is a perfect way to preserve all of your favourite fruits throughout the year.